Hello everyone, welcome to Offisky. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your pay-as-you-go hosted PBX phone system for just $2.50. So let's get started. So in this demonstration, we're going to use two IP phones here, okay, and using one cell phone as the remote extension and using one cell phone considered as a customer phone outside of your network, okay. We are also going to use a desktop switch to connect all phones together. It's just a basic desktop switch here. So now both extensions are ready, so I'm going to test it out now. You can see the call display directly in here. And the other extension, same thing, call display showing here. Hello? Hello? For extension 103, it's a cell phone remote extension. So I'm going to show it here. Hello? Hello? So this shows all internal extensions are working correctly. So the next thing we're going to show is the auto attendance. So we're going to call in our new company number.
Thank you for calling Betty Consultant. If you know the extension number you wish to reach, please dial it at any time during this message. Press 0 for operator, press 1 for sales.
So I'm trying to call one of the extension number.
This call may be recorded or monitored for quality control, education, or training purposes.
Now, I'm going to show another demonstration. It's for when I'm calling in and testing out the dial 0 for the operator option.
Thank you for calling Betty Consultant. If you know the extension number, this call may be recorded or monitored for quality control, education, or training purposes.
When one of the phone pick up the call, the second one will automatically disconnect it. So the next test that we're going to do is call transfer.
Thank you for calling Betty Consultant. Our office is currently
We
closed.
start by calling extension 101.
This call may be recorded or monitored for quality control, education, or training purposes.
Once we pick up, we transfer the call to 102. You can transfer as many times as you want. The hotkey for transfer is £2. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go to mydesk.offisky.com. You need to sign up a new Offisky Business Master account. The user or staff account is only used for personal, or you need to join into any existing company account. So in our case, we select Business or Group Master account. Provide your company name, username, password, your email address, and the rest of your information. Read and understand our terms and conditions and our privacy agreement. then submit your request. Now, you should check your email for account activation. Because this is an automatic email, you should also check your spam folder just in case. If possible, please also add Offisky as the safe sender for future communications. Now, click on the activation link, which will go directly into your account. Dismiss the initial help. To create your basic hosted PBX phone system, you need to perform the following 7 steps. Buy Offisky prepaid credit used by the phone system. Reveal your current calling plan. Create device accounts and connect to your IP phones. Create voicemail accounts. Set up internal extension numbers and connect to your device. Create auto attendant. Create a phone number to connect to your auto attendant. Now, go to User Menu and select Phone System Configuration. For the first time, you will see the initialize screen. Click on the button to continue. Make sure the information is correct for the phone system default settings. Make sure you have provided the correct country prefix. For example, 1 is North America country code. Continue to finish up the wizard. Now you are in the phone system dashboard, which will provide you the live calling summary for your phone system. The first thing you need is some Offisky credit to use by your phone system, so go to User Menu and select Billing. You may view your available credit in this billing dashboard. To learn about how to purchase Offisky credit, please refer to our video, How Offisky Billing Works, in our channel. If you prefer to use monthly calling plan instead of minute plan, you may also order it from here. However, since this video is focused on how to set up a pay-as-you-go $2.50 phone system, we will stay as the default, which is minute plan. Now, go back to the phone system dashboard. To reveal your external phone line calling plan, go to PBX base, then select Phone Line Settings. Now, you are in the Phone Line Settings screen. Offisky works just like a normal phone system. Your phone system is connected by external phone lines and internal extensions, where the external phone lines are the connections your phone system can use to communicate to the public, and the internal extensions are the internal connections between your extensions. Internal extension calls has no connection limit within your phone system, whereas public phone lines are limited based on your calling plan you have ordered. Now you can see your account current calling plan, which is charged by minute. You may change it at any time in the future to whatever you need. You may also check each call charges by using Check Minute Charge section. Please also provide the country code of the number when you use it. This number is located in Unionville, Ontario. Under our plan, when we called out to this number or calling this number to reach us, we'll be charged 3 cents per minute. Next, we need to set up our device account to connect to our IP phone. So go to PBX base, then select Phone Device Account. Add a new device account. You may order minute or monthly device here. Because we want to set up pay-as-you-go minute-based device, so select the minute charge basic device. There are no monthly charge and setup fee for this device, only charged by minute, so we're good to go. Confirm the order. Create another device account. Now we are going to set up each of the account and connect to the IP phones. Update the first account and select Settings tab. Provide a recognizable name. Then save it. And for the second account, it is important to have a recognizable name throughout our setting process to identify which phone we are connected to. Now we move on to connect our IP phones to the device accounts. So in here, we have two IP phones available here, two brand new IP phones with no configurations already in it, okay? So the first thing we need to do is get the IP address, okay? So this is a Yalin phone, so the first thing we need to go is menu and go to status. Under status, you will get your IP address here. So 192.168.1.100, and this one will be 192.168.1.139. Now open the browser to connect to the IP phone IP address. I'm going to connect the first IP phone to device account IP phone 1. For Yaling, the default username and password is admin, ADMIN. Go to the Credential tab. Make sure you read and understand this page and show the credentials. This little green chat meaning your IP address is not blocked by our service. If your IP address has been blocked, create a support ticket and request for remove. For Yaling, Offisky already have a preset configuration script, so scroll to the bottom and download it. You may also check out other support videos and documents for different IP phone brands. Now back to Yaling configuration. Click on Settings tab. Select Configuration. Import the download configuration file into your phone. For the next IP phone account, once your phone is connected, you should see a green dot under status. Next, we will create two voicemails, one for each IP phone. Update the voicemail settings. Again, provide the recognizable name. Select Save Incoming Voicemail and Email Extension Owner. Provide a number-only password when accessed by your phone. Provide a message to recognize this is not a spam. Then save your settings. For the next voicemail, next, we will create internal extension numbers to use by our IP phones. Go to Number Management. Add an extension number. Select Create Internal Extension Number. Now all three extensions are ready. We are going to update the settings. Because this is a user extension, so select User Extension Mode. Provide the detail of the user. Provide the voicemail for this account. Provide the device account for the IP phones you wish to use, and save. For the next extension, select User Extension Mode. Provide the detail of the user. And save. The third cell phone forwarding extension. Select User Extension Mode. Provide the detail of the user. In this extension, we do not want to connect to any IP phone device account. Instead, we will create a always forward to your cell phone. Make sure your phone number includes country code prefix. Now, all internal extensions are ready. The next thing we need is the Auto Attendant. Go to PBX space and select Auto Attendant Wizard. Provide the name of the company, your operating hours. I'm going to create two options in this Auto Attendant. Press 0 for the operator, which will ring both 101 and 102 IP phones. Press 1 for sales, which will only ring extension 101 IP phone. Press 2 for billing, which will ring extension 102. You may create as many options as you need. I will leave the rest of the settings as default, then continue. In here, you can create the greeting script for your Auto Attendant. I'm going to use the text-to-speech system to generate the voice. You may also upload it on your own if you don't like it. I personally like the female voice better. The new created Auto Attendant will be available in your IVR editor for future changes. Finally, we need to use a phone number to connect to the Auto Attendant for your customer calling. So go to Number Management. Add a number. This time, we want a Canada local number, so select Order Canada local number. Confirm the order, which charge $2.50 per month. Click on Next to pick the number. Select the area you need and refill the available numbers. Finally, confirm the order. Now set up the number to connect to the IVR. And save the settings. That is all you need to set up a basic Offisky hosted PBX phone system. If you have any further questions, please talk to us through our support channel. Please remember, Offisky is a hosted PBX and telecommunication platform designed to fit into any business environment. When you sign up a free Offisky account, you already have access into all the features which is available to you. What you need is just the usage for your business and learn how to enable them. We will continue our effort to provide as much documents and videos as possible, so please remember to subscribe our video and social media channel to receive our new features updates. Thank you for watching. Offisky, communications for everybody.